Sweetie, I don't want your cookies. If you're looking for applause, keep looking. Your recipe's boring. Need a little more spice in my cooking. Honey, you don't want my problems. If you had them, you would sink to the bottom. You should bring your light jacket, cause people like you can't handle this stuff.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Jazz. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for joining me again. So today, y'all, I'm gonna switch it up and I'm gonna cook a little chili today. So if you're interested to see how my chili comes out, stay tuned. I'll show you the ingredients step by step, and it's some bomb chili, y'all, so stay tuned. You don't description box below, so if I miss anything or if you need any instructions or step-by-step instructions, just check the description box below. So first thing we have are our beans. I use 2 things of dark red kidney beans, and then I also have 2 cans of them black beans. Okay, so those are it for my beans. Then I also have the ROTEL original, a little mixture of the tomatoes. Okay, and then I have a tomato paste. And then for the salsa, I specifically use this type of salsa. So you can use tomato salsa or whatever you want, but this be bomb, y'all. So you can use fresh garlic or the ones that's already minced. I use the minced garlic that's already chopped up. I have a green pepper, red onion, yellow onion. Then I also use green onion. I use green onion in the chili, and then I use it as a garnish on top of the chili because it'd be good and it'd be cute. And then I have celery too, so gotta have your little celery. Beef broth, and then I have cheese, of course. Any type of cheese will work fine. And then I have some mild chili seasoning packages. Okay, and then of course you need your ground beef. I use the ground lean. So let's get into it, y'all. So I'm gonna be using a cast iron skillet. Is that how you say it? A cast iron skillet to cook my ground lean beef. All right, so I'm just gonna let this cook, and go ahead and cut up my onions and peppers. So all of my vegetables are washed. I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting. To a bigger pot, and now I'm gonna add in these onions.
It is so tender and so juicy and so flavorful because that chunky sauce holds in all the moisture. Listen.
Shut the front door. That's what I'm talking about.
So after 2 hours, this is what you want your chili to look like. Well, I like mine a little bit thick, so after 2 hours it does thicken up. So let's see what it looks like. Look at that. Yummy, yummy in my tummy.
It's actually quite nice. Very, very delicate fish.
It smells so good. And you can leave it on for a few more hours if you want it a little bit more thick, but we hungry, so we about to eat.